Welcome to the Purely Gates Embroidery Mylar Embroidery virtual booth. I'm Patricia Gates. In this video, we'll give you an overview of our collection releases for 2020. If you're not familiar with Mylar embroidery, these special designs are created for use with Mylar, which allows your embroidery thread to sparkle. Check out our videos on our website to learn more about this technique. First, we have a fun collection called Mylar Giraffes. This collection includes the giraffes not only in 2 sizes, but in 2 colors. The traditional colors of the giraffe, and again with multicolor spots. The giraffe designs include a fun fringe mane with instructions on how to make this technique work. You also get a fun window pane design in a couple of sizes, a quilting motif in many block sizes, a border quilting motif, and a corner motif is also included. We also have pattern instructions to make this cute giraffe toy. There are 4 style versions of this toy included in the instructions. Our Quilting Designs 3 collection of more than 20 designs are detailed botanical quilting motifs. 10 of the designs are available in 6 block sizes, and 10 designs are available to fill 4 different hoop sizes. 3 2-inch tall border motifs, as well as add-ons and a corner motif, enable you to use these border designs to fill any size border. The included detail of these designs also make them great as standalone designs that can be used as redwork like I've done here on this cork fabric purse. Two words describe this next collection: cool and refreshing. Mylar Fruit Punch designs come in a variety of sizes. Citrus, juicy fruits, and ice cubes provide a great example of how Mylar can really enhance a design. It creates a depth and dimension to the designs, and it really makes an icy, juicy, or glass type design more appealing. Placemats, table toppers, kitchen towels, picnic bags, and more like the zipper pull are just some of the embellishment opportunities using this collection. The included quilt motif in 6 sizes provides even more project opportunities. Mylar Trick or Treat is a collection of Halloween-themed designs and phrases. Each design can be stitched separately or combined with another design to make a fun combination to fit your project. The large Halloween design is available as a single design and available in pieces for those with a smaller hoop. Here we've done a pillow. You can do a t-shirt or a candy bucket, or a door banner or block. We've stitched a trick-or-treat bag. These Mylar designs can also be stitched using glow-in-the-dark threads for an extra surprise in the dark. The Halloween-themed quilt motifs can take your project even further. Mylar Mega Butterflies 3D is a collection of 20 designs in 4 sizes each. These designs can be stitched like regular machine embroidery on fabric, or they can be stitched as dimensional embroidery. Using our Pure Shape product and the included instructions in this collection, you can make a host of projects. The instructions include how to make these beautiful 2-sided designs. We have our floating butterflies here in various sizes. Here's a napkin and a dish towel ring for hanging in the kitchen. Here's a hair clip and a pin. This pin includes added crystals for even more bling. These pins can be added to anything: jackets, purses, wall hangings, and more. With 94 designs, this collection has an endless list of project possibilities. This collection comes with 15 dogs in 2 sizes, phrases in 2 sizes, and the combination of the 2, so you can stitch them any way that you'd like. A cute block quilt motif of scattered bones in several sizes, and a bone border put the finishing touches on your quilt project. I've stitched these out on a tote, made this purse with my own puppy dog and a cute phrase stitched on the back, stitched a cute apron, and also a dog mom t-shirt. projects like a treat bag using a pop-up pattern, a doggy vest, jar labels and magnets, all using our Pure Shape sheets. I've made this dog bowl placemat with these designs and found a vinyl cover to protect it. The instructions to make this adorable wall hanging is also available for purchase. With the popularity of Mylar Floral Monogram, requests to have this collection in a smaller size prompted us to create Mylar Floral Monogram 2. This collection is a lowercase version of the first, and it fits in a 5x7 hoop. These designs are proportionally sized to the original if you want to use it with the original collection. These detailed lowercase letters include the same florals as well as extra flowers to be scattered in your projects. Instructions on baseline alignment for multi-hooping is included with this collection. We carry the exquisite line of threads. These are the thread numbers that you will see on our color change charts. We've also created thread collections of some of our most used colors. These collections are great thread stash builders and will save you money over purchasing individual spools. Check out our collections we carry with more to come. We carry the stabilizers that I like to use as well. We also have our Pure Shape sheets I've mentioned with an online video on how to use this product. Our 3-count packages of Mylar sheets in the one color we recommend are available. We guarantee that anything you stitch our designs on when using our Mylar can be washed, dried, and ironed. For more information on our products, check out our website, purelygates.com. Thanks for watching.